Next section, intelligence versus health and sickness. Health can affect intelligence in many ways. Intelligence can affect health. Health effects on intelligence have been among the most crucial factors in the origins of human group differences in IQ test scores and other measures of cognitive ability. Several factors can lead to significant cognitive impairment, particularly if they occur during pregnancy and childhood. Intelligence directly linked with health and diseases. High intelligence passing high health status. Low intelligence possible to acquire more diseases. Intelligence versus physical health. Physical health affected by intelligence of a person. Both communicable and non-communicable diseases influenced by intelligence. Low mental capacity, difficult to cope with stressful situations. Stress is cause root of all types of non-communicable diseases. Intelligence versus mental health. High mental capacity reinforce mental health. Intelligent person easy to solve problems with in the mind. Mental health problems directly linked with person's intelligence. Alcoholism, drug addiction due to low intelligence. Intelligence versus social well-being. Social interactions determined by intelligence. High intelligent person able to interact every parts of society. Social disability due to low intelligence. Low intelligence may lead criminal behavior in society. Intelligence versus communicable diseases. Environmental hygiene promoted by intelligent person to prevent transmission of communicable diseases, to impart immunity power. Intelligence versus non-communicable diseases. Intelligent person cope with stress. It prevents non-communicable diseases. Intelligence promote good lifestyle. It helps to manage the diseases such as blood pressure and diabetics. Intelligence versus medical condition. Medical conditions such as motherhood and childbearing influenced by intelligence. High intelligent mothers can be make happier motherhood. Correlation between abnormality and intelligence. Intellectual disability, where a predictor of behavioral problems. Genetic disorder associated with parents' intelligence. Cardiac defects. Characteristic facial appearance. Learning difficulties. Delays in speech. Language development. Various behavioral disorders. Psychiatric problems. Among the children, intelligence associated with subscales withdrawn, anxious, depressed, delinquent behavior, aggressive behavior, somatic complaints, and social problems. Intelligence during sickness. There are numerous diseases affecting the central nervous system, which can cause cognitive impairment. Many of these are associated with aging. Some common examples include Alzheimer's disease and multi-infarct dementia. Many diseases may be neurological or psychiatric and may primarily affect the brain. Patient treated for depression score higher on IQ test than before treatment. In the time of sickness, every individual has various kinds of intelligence. Depends upon the disease conditions, intelligence is differ. In the time of sickness, the intelligence may be declined. The mental status examination.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.